This is not financial advice. Dreamers, this is my LEAP option on Fast. I'm up $450. This is my LEAP option on MU. I'm up $15,850, up 221%. This is my LEAP option on NVTS. I'm up around 4%, nothing, just entered this trade, but I'm up $185. Now, the power of LEAP options is that you don't have to spend as much capital to buy 100 shares of a company, but you can spend less capital to have the same amount exposure to that company. Now, I do LEAP options expiring a year or more out. Anything under a year, that you're going to get taxed that short-term capital gain. Anything longer than a year, that's long-term capital gains. Now you can really start to make some money and not get taxed as much. I go out as far as 2 years on most of my LEAPs. Now, this is how I find my LEAPs, right? I'm gonna show you guys in this video, so make sure you pin out your pen, your notepad, your note paper, everything that you need to, or just rewatch the video. That'll be more helpful. But I'm about to show you guys how I find LEAPs in this video. Now, step one, before step one, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, because it helps out this video more than you guys can possibly even imagine. Now, step one, I want you to write down a list of your favorite companies. Think of your favorite, your absolute favorite companies, right? Make a list of 10, 15 stocks of your favorite companies that you like. I will buy this company and I don't care what the price is. Like that, this is your favorite company. You write down that list. Once you have down that list, let me show you guys what to do next. Now, dreamers, here we are over on TradingView. Now, what I want you guys to do is hit the screener button right here. It's going to screen all your stocks for you. Now, what I like to do, I come over to market cap. If I'm moving too fast, slow down the video. Go over to market cap. Let's type in any company that's over $200 billion and above. That's going to get rid of any of the penny stocks. Then you're going to hit this RSI button right here. And then we're going to look for any RSI. We're going to use the 4-hour time frame, or you could use the 1-day time frame, and we're looking for any stocks that's below 40 on the RSI, and that's going to show us stocks that are oversold. So we picked our top companies that's oversold on the 4-hour time frame at 40. Some people like to do 30. That's even better. So that's going to give us 3 right here. So that means it's extremely oversold. Now, if any of the stocks that's on your list match to any of the stocks that's on this screener that shows that it's oversold, then you could go in and do a LEAP option. Now, that's a very simple way of finding LEAP options. I could show you guys how to enter some of these LEAP options today in this video, but if you guys want an in-detail guide on how to do some technical analysis, do Bollinger Bands, the 200 EMA and the RSI, I'm going to leave a link in the description to my Patreon. And right now, because you got this channel to 5,000 subscribers, it is now 60% off all the way to March 22nd. So right here inside the Dream Team, I hold Zoom calls every single Sunday. We go over plays. I'm mainly teaching the wheel strategy, and now I can show you guys LEAP options in there. And you'll also have access to 3 pro day traders that post their option trades every single day. You'll see every single time I buy and sell a stock inside of the Patreon as well. So if you guys do want to be a part of an investing community, I know you tell yourself in 2025 you wanted to start to invest inside yourself. Well, it's 2026. Go ahead and take that leap, invest inside yourself, and come learn everything that we're learning inside of the community, inside of the Patreon, be a part of the Zoom calls, ask any questions that you need to ask, or you could comment any questions that you want to comment down in the comment section. I read every single comment and I reply to every single comment on this page because it's such a small channel. But if you guys do have any questions and want to dive deep into it, consider joining the Patreon. I only got 4 spots remaining. I try not to have the Zoom calls too big so I can answer everybody's questions in there. So once again, the Patreon link is going to be down in the pinned comment section and also down in the description. So anyways, back to the list right here. The first one I'm going to click on, I'm going to show you guys, is Home Depot. Now, Home Depot on this list, because as you guys can see, it fell quite a bit of ways, right? Home Depot most recently has fallen from $397 all the way down to $339. Now, this is a big drop for Home Depot. It fell almost 15% over the last couple of days, and we can see it as a good buy. Now, Home Depot, they had a bottom right here, and now Home Depot is pulling back again. So you can see a strong support at around 331, 330 on Home Depot. But if we're looking at the long-term growth of Home Depot, this is the kind of pullback that we've all been waiting for. In fact, they set it up for us 3 times. It went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back, went up, pulled back. Because in the long-term grand scheme of things, Home Depot, the price, look at this. It literally only goes up. No, we're all the way back in 2010. We passed the pandemic up. We passed the recession up. We're all the way back in 2012, and Home Depot has just gone up and up year after year. So when we see good pullbacks like this on Home Depot, let me show you guys how to enter a 2-year LEAP option on Home Depot. So once again, you want to look for companies that have 20 years of growth that just had a recent pullback that we could get in on and get a LEAP option. So we're going to hit trade. We're going to hit trade options, and then we're going to scroll all the way out. We're going out to December 15, 2028. So 2 years from now, almost 3 years from now, we're going to be buying a car. We're going to scroll down, and we're out 3 years, right? So we want Home Depot. Do we think that it's going to go up to the break even on this one is $386, and the delta is a 0.77 delta. So we don't even need to go that low. We could look for a 0.7 delta. This one right here. So it would cost us $6,770 to enter this almost 3-year LEAP option on Home Depot, expiring December 15, 2028. And our break even is $395. So if we come back over here, it's Home Depot. The all-time high on Home Depot was $439. And we only need Home Depot to go up to $395 to this area right here. We need Home Depot to go from $340 to $395 in the next 3 years. We just need Home Depot to bounce to this area right here in the next 3 years, expiring all the way out in 2028. So that's how I'll be setting up my LEAP options. Let me show you guys another example. One that did have a pullback was Fast. Took a symbol SAFT. This is number 2. Now Fast did have this pullback. We seen this pullback inside the community back here when it dipped down. It dipped down here. We enter our LEAP options on Fast because we seen. Let's show you guys the growth of Fast over the last couple of years. Growth. No matter how far back we go, we're all the way back in 2018. We passed up the pandemic. We passed up some wars, right? So as you guys can see, Fast literally grows every year for at least for the last 15, 20 years, right? So when we seen this dip right here, we came in, we bought up a couple of those shares. And when we look at Fast over here, over the last year, Fast is up 22%. We got in on these LEAPs probably around this area right here, $43. So Fast is up 22%. If it continues to grow 22% this year, how long is my LEAP options on Fast? Let's see. My LEAP options expire 2 years from now, right? At the beginning of 2028. So we to click this one and hit simulate my returns. As Fast goes up 22% this year and 22% next year. I got 2 years left on my LEAP option. Let me show you guys the kind of money I can make. So that's 22% first year, and let's go to 44%. And here we go right here on Fast. If Fast goes up 22% again for the next 2 years, I can make close to $10,000, close to $10,000, $9,355 in profit. Amazing. For what I put in, I could have double my money, triple my money of what I put in on Fast on these LEAP options. That's why LEAP options are so amazing to me. They've been treating me nice. You're not going to win them all, but if you get in at a good price and you put your expiration out long enough, usually the stock market is trending in the right directions, as long as you're picking your favorite good high quality stocks, right? So the next one I'm going to show you guys is probably my favorite one on this list, which is going to be Microsoft, MSFT. If we take a look at Microsoft, you can see that it is getting beat up, but it's down to one of my zones. I actually drew out this inside the Patreon members for a little while ago. We have a good risk to reward ratio right here. Microsoft had this huge pullback on Microsoft. Now Microsoft is expensive. It's going to cost a little bit to get in on LEAP options on Microsoft, but if Microsoft do end up recovering all the way from its current price of $395 to $553, that is a 40% gain if you just hold the shares. And if you was to get in on Microsoft, let's pull it up right quick. All right, so let's type in Microsoft right quick, MSFT, and we're going to go all the way out to December 15th, 2028. And we're going to be buying let's see which one will we buy with. Let's go all the way out to December 15th, 2028. We're going to be buying a 0.7 delta. That's 0.68. There we go. So we're going to be buying the 380 call. So let's switch back over here. And yes, we already have it. We're going to be buying one of the 380 calls. And let's say if Microsoft goes up. All right. So let's say Microsoft goes up to the 40%, right, that we had picked over here over the next 2 years. If Microsoft goes up to the 40% mark over the next 2 years. So let's say if Microsoft, goes up to 40% over the next 2 years, let's see what kind of income we could have. So we bought one share, we could have and it goes up to 564 over the next couple of years, we can have a profit of $7,958. And if it goes up anything and make new all-time highs, we can see a return of $12,040. We can see a return of $12,200 on Microsoft. Now, Microsoft could do some crazy stuff and go up maybe like 70%, 71%, and you can make $20,000 off your one time, and you can make $20,000 off your $10,000 investment. So you'll walk away with 30K. So that's the power of Leap options, and that's how I find my Leap options. I write down my favorite stocks. I have my list. I run the screener. I see which ones is oversold. As long as that list have about 10, 15 years of consistent growth and it's just having a healthy pullback, I go in, I look for some 2-year Leap options saying that's going to be more valuable 2 years from now than it is today. And then I enter those Leap options. But that's kind of like the basic way to enter some of your Leap options. If you want more details on how to enter your Leap options, I highly consider joining the Patreon. That link is going to be down in the pinned comment section and also down in the description. But if you made it to the end of this video, once again, comment any questions you got down below in the comment sections. I read them all. I reply to every single last one. If you made it to the end of this video, comment, give me the loot. That's how I know you made it to the end of this video and you're the real one, because I showed you how to make the market give you the loot. But other than that, dreamers, Zeke, bring you dream green conversations, and I'm out. Peace.